Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, April 22nd, and you guys know what time it is. Let's cover the prices of these cryptocurrencies. So since I started doing this 2 months ago, I have never seen a flatter, steadier trading Bitcoin than I have today. The range in fluctuation was only from 6,800 to 6,900 for an entire 24 hours. So the current price of Bitcoin is up 0.1% at $686.23. Dash up 1.4% at $75.65. Ethereum down 0.2% at $171.62. And Litecoin leading the pack up a whopping 0.7% at $40.69. Join us later today when we go over the top news articles written in the last 24 hours, because there's some really juicy news about the $25 million DeForce hack that happened a few days ago. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and we will see you in the next video.